So when it comes to diet, a more whole food, plant-based diet, when you're following that type of diet, and I emphasize like whole foods, I'm not talking about, like the veggie meats and those things. I'm talking about just whole foods. That is more of a cleansing diet, right? That's like cleansing and detoxing. But when it comes to like actually really nourishing and feeding the body, and it's not that plants can't nourish, because they absolutely can, but when it comes to like strongly really nourishing and providing strength to the body, healthy and whole animal foods are just more effective at doing that. So when you've gone through this stress, you've burned through a lot of like your vitamins, you've burned through your minerals, and now you're kind of like not nourished, and now you have to nourish. A lot of times when you're in a deficit, the plants won't like nourish you the same. And in addition to that, because the gut integrity is off, your absorption is off. So you're not going to be able to break down and absorb in the first place. So now you're not having something like extremely nourishing, and it's just adding to you eating, you're getting sustenance, you're getting calories, but you're just not being fed.